What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Now, I had picked up this set from a meet not too long ago, and this is just the base. And I really wanted some white rims, and these were the ones that I found. I just found out the other day that these are staggered. If I could have found four that were deep dish, I think the deep dish just looks a little bit better than the staggered. But that's just my opinion. So I originally bought it for this truck that was featured on Set It Free Friday not too long ago, because I knew that I wanted to drop it. Now, I'm not a big Stepside fan, but because it was pink, again, I had to get it. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this one and put this frame on there, or base I should say, with these white rims. See how it turns out. I think they look pretty good. But while I was looking at this, I started looking at the mom truck, and I was looking at these rims. And since they both have like a white top, I think either one would look good with white rims. So I was thinking of maybe putting the white rims on this truck and then putting the chrome rims on this truck. Again, just thoughts, thinking out loud. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how they turn out. You know what, guys? After doing some measurements, I think I could just base swap. That fit perfectly. Look at that. What do you guys think? There we go. So that's going to be the back, and that's going to be the front. Let's see. Oh, I don't know, guys. I think the white rims is going to stay with this one. But let's see how they look on the pink truck real quick. So this is how this looks with the chrome rims. And again, I haven't screwed anything down because we're just mocking everything up right now to see which way we're gonna go. That pops too. That looks amazing. What a sorry decision I gotta make. Or maybe I should buy another set of white rims to do both of them. So this is me just mocking them to see how they both look with white. I need to fix the axles and the final product. Let me know what you guys think.